Hey guys, so that's what my high beam or my my LED looks like. It's not much. You can't see it in the daylight, but we'll see. Yeah.
That's a
See
low
there,
beam.
that's a low beam. That's a high beam. See, you can't see it. I changed it to LED, but now we're gonna change it to a better LED. So we'll see what we got here, Kuya Chris. What do we have?
We got high powered LED.
Yeah, this is a better LED. H4. Oops. Yeah, there it is. H4. Yeah, this seems to be a better LED. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it looks like. So just that screw, you gotta take out that screw in there, right there. What are you using?
Allen key, maybe
What?
number 6.
Number 6 Allen
Okay.
key.
I don't know. It's number 6 or whatever.
Yeah,
Anything
just
that fit.
Yeah, find an Allen key that fits. So there's 2 of them, one on this side, one on the other side. Pretty straightforward, guys.
Lift this up.
Take out that, take that one out. He said it's only gonna take about 10 minutes, so we have 10 minutes to spare. So that's why he's doing this early in the morning. It's like 6:30 or 7. You can
Pull
see that.
the dust cover off.
Well, dust cover, like he says.
To rebuild your LED light.
So I don't know.
Okay. There you go.
You guys can see that.
That's
Where is it?
right
Yeah,
there.
there you go. That's your dust cover.
There's a pin lock that you have to press. Kind of spring lock.
So press it down
Press it down
and then pull it.
and pull the LED out or whatever light you got there. There we go. It's revealing.
I don't know if you guys can see all this. There's a windshield on top, so I'm just going on top of the glass there.
There we go.
So
We got the
there it is. There's the old LED. Actually, we replaced that's the old LED.
oh, let's see.
Just to compare the two, that's what it looks like. Oh yeah, I see the difference. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna see if this one is more powerful, because that one was okay, but it's not as bright. Now, hopefully we have enough space in here to
Is
all
it
these things.
all the way angled?
Yeah. So angle your bike all the way through
Okay, here we go.
to the left, so that you'll have more room down here. Okay, there you go.
Take the spring load out.
Where's the what spring load? There it is. It's just trying to put it in. There. That's a good view from the top. That's what it's doing on the side there. You can see that.
Actually, we got the right mounting.
I hope so. It's H4.
H4. I think it's the right. There you go.
It's a bit of a struggle there because it's really tight. I mean, let's see if we can
Bit tight, but it's doable.
see. There you go. Yo, guys, zoom in version. There's that pin that he's working. There's the spring load that he's working on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just. Are you just trying to push it in?
Hopefully it's hooked up. I'm trying to find a hole. Okay, there we go.
Doesn't look like it's in there.
Right
Yeah,
there,
that's
okay.
one of the. That's one of the problems with installing these things, guys. It's really tight in
It
there.
won't latch. That's the thing.
Yeah, so he's just having a hard time trying to get it to latch.
Trying to get the latch part.
There it is.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me just give you another view from the top here, and just an overall view. What he's doing. You can see the bike is turned all the way to the left to give him more room, and this is what it looks like on the
Okay,
side.
where's the wiring? There we go.
What wiring?
Let's
I
see.
think he was able to get it. So now I'm just gonna hook the plug, the outlet. I'm just gonna connect those two. And I think you can even connect those two first if you want.
Right. Now let's
Okay.
see how bright it is.
Ooh, yeah, I can tell the difference.
See,
So low beam,
that's a high beam.
that's a high beam. That's a high
Big
beam.
difference. That's
Yeah.
a high beam. Low beam.
I'm gonna
That's
test.
a low beam.
Yeah, I can't really see it right now, but I mean I can tell the difference. But we can test it later on at night and see how it looks like. Turn on the LED as well. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It's matching.
bright.
Yeah, it's bright, right?
Yeah,
I can
bright.
totally tell the difference, guys. Even in daylight, and this is daylight right now.
It's like you're bright.
Yeah, yeah, right on. So that was just to check that, make sure everything works before we put everything all together. There's no point putting everything in together if it doesn't. Make sure you put don't forget the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see?
Well, there's no need to because
What?
it's too big.
You don't need that.
No.
Oh,
It's only temporary.
jeez. Okay, so you don't need that,
you
guys.
got this anyway, so
What do you call that thing?
it's a dust boot.
Okay, so you don't need the dust boot, according to my mechanic.
No,
There you go. So just
put everything back in.
put everything back in. Easier said than done, as always. Yeah, just make sure everything goes in there.
Yeah. Don't worry about the dust boot. It's still, don't, as long as you don't water the headlight.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh no! What happens if the rain gets in there?
No, the rain. It's not gonna happen because you don't ride on the rain.
What if you do? Then I don't know, guys. It's
No,
up to
it's
you guys.
okay.
You can try to put it that thing. You can try to put it back if you want. It's up to you. Yeah,
Nice and bright.
just check it again before you tighten everything up, and make sure that's sealed. Just make sure that's pushed in.
Yep.
Right.
Make sure everything are tucked in.
Okay, there you go. Just putting in back the screws, and we're pretty much done. If you guys like this video, and hit that like button and consider subscribing, and will sure help me out a lot. So there it is. Yeah, I'm in his
There
way.
you go. 10 minutes.
I get the easy job. See, yeah, this is only a 6-minute video. It's supposed to be a 10-minute, do it yourself 10-minute kind of thing. So I'm glad I have Chris here to help me out.
Sometimes extra hand works. Okay.
All right, we'll do a video later on, guys. You just see what it looks like at nighttime.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So it's 10 o'clock p.m. Finally got home, and I just want to check out the light like I promised earlier. So just gonna turn this on. There it is. Oops, why is it doing that? Off, on. So okay, let's see. So that's what the light looks like. The LED light. It's so bright. There it is. It is really bright. You can see where it's pointing to. I guess I'll turn up my spotlight just to make it a little bit better. Yeah, there you go. That's just the headlight by itself. Ooh. See the brightness. It's really bright, and that's only the low beam. See the coverage on the ground there. You can see it clearly. Then we're gonna go on the high beam now. High beam is this. Yes, so you can see high beam. I'm not sure if you're able to tell the difference. Maybe if I point my light. There you go. Somewhere dark. Ooh, look at that. So again, let me see. So low beam there, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Yeah. There it is. And just looking at it from the side, my buddy said that we were riding today in daylight, and he said that it's really bright, and I can tell you guys that it's a lot brighter than the LED that I used to have. So let me turn on the power, and let me also turn on my fog light. So that's the fog light that I have. Let me just look at it from here. So all the lights are working. Got the fog light on the side as well, and the headlight looking good. And yes, all I can say is that make sure that you pick a really good high quality H4 light. Don't cheap out on this one if you want your light to be really bright. And I recommend the one that I got, which has the plug on it, instead of just the hookups. Okay, hope this helps.